you see. So, I want to do something. I said, I'll let you fuck around. Okay. The carrots. Look after me there, even though you get drunk about every 3-4 o'clock in the night, nothing on me door.
كمثل صفوان فأصابه
Yeah, not that again.
وجهه صلى لا يقدرون شيء كسبوا والله لا يهدي القوم الكافرين ومثل الذين ينفقون أموالهم ابتغاء مرضات الله كمثل جنة
That's what I mean, it's not like it's I don't think it's so much that it's so much the way Prophet Muhammad for it is it's basically teaching them and helping them but helping them to understand Islam at the same time, because you can get a neighbour that knows absolutely nothing but knows you, and they say like when you go and get on that's the spark interest with it, and like and then first of all, the leading for it, but then they start asking the questions. But that's when you then start to educate them. And that's what basically, that's all Prophet Muhammad ever did, was he'd go around and see them and speak to them, but then also educate them at the same time. And never say, you have to do Islam. It was, you educate them first before.
كذلك يبين الله لكم الآيات لعلكم تتفكرون.
It's educate your neighbours, educate the people around you. Because if you don't educate them, how are they ever going to know about Islam? How are they ever going to read it? They go out and go, oh, so this is what Islam stands for. This is what the earn Islam. But it's not.
The best way of Dawah is using the good.
Oh yeah,
that's the thing that you see.
Oh yeah.
This is a nice guy.
You respect everyone.
Yeah, he helps everyone. He's good to the community. That's what gets going.
الشيطان يعدكم الفقر ويأمركم بالفحشاء والله يعدكم والله واسع يؤتي الحكمة من يشاء ومن يؤت الحكمة فقد أوتي خيرا كثيرا وما يذكر
He's probably lost count of how many times it's said to him. How do you not think we're going to believe me?
وما
Every 2.5 million Muslims as well now.